Emma had only 30 minutes before the most important job interview of her life. She had prepared for days. She had practiced her English. She had prepared her resume and important documents. But now, there was one big problem. Her document folder was missing, and she had no idea where it was.
Oh no, where is my folder?
Excuse me, are you okay?
I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
That's okay. You almost dropped your phone.
Oh, thank you, I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. You look worried. What happened?
I have a job interview in 30 minutes and I lost my important document folder.
Oh, that sounds serious.
Yes, very serious. My resume is inside it, my certificates are inside it, my ID is inside it.
Okay, take a breath.
I can't relax. I need to find it.
We can look for it together.
Really? Can you help me?
Of course. First, tell me where you went today.
Okay, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Good. What did you do after that?
I took a shower, then I got dressed.
What did you do next?
I ate breakfast at home.
Did you have your folder at home?
Yes, I think I did.
Where was it?
It was on my table.
Are you sure?
Yes, I remember seeing it.
Good. What happened after breakfast?
I put the folder in my black bag.
Inside the black bag?
Yes.
Okay. Did you take the black bag with you?
Yes.
Where did you go first?
I went to the bus stop.
Did you take the bus?
Yes, I took the number 12 bus.
Where did you sit?
I sat near the window.
Did you open your bag on the bus?
Yes, I opened it.
Why?
I wanted to check my documents.
Did you see the folder?
I think I did.
You think?
Yes, I saw my black bag, and I remember the folder was inside.
Okay, that is good news.
But where is it now?
What did you do after the bus?
I got off near the library.
Did you go inside the library?
Yes.
Why did you go there?
I wanted to print one more copy of my resume.
Did you use a printer?
Yes.
Where did you put your folder?
I put it on a table.
What happened next?
I printed my resume. Then I put the new paper in my folder.
Did you close the folder?
Yes.
And then?
Then I left the library.
Did you take the folder with you?
I don't remember.
Okay, don't worry. We can go back to the library.
But I also came to this cafe.
Did you come directly to the cafe?
No, I walked around first.
Where did you walk?
I walked past the bookstore.
Did you go inside the bookstore?
No,
Then where did you go?
I went to the pharmacy.
Why?
I bought some water.
Did you have your bag there?
Yes.
Did you open your bag?
Yes, I took out my wallet.
Did you see the folder?
I don't know.
That's okay. What happened after the pharmacy?
I came here.
To this cafe?
Yes,
How long have you been here?
maybe 10 minutes.
Where did you sit?
I sat over there.
At that table?
Yes.
Did you put your bag on the chair?
Yes.
Is your bag still there?
No, I moved it.
Where is it now?
It's under this table.
Okay, let's check it.
I already checked my bag.
Check it again. Sometimes we miss things when we are worried.
Okay.
Is the folder inside the bag?
No.
Is it under the bag?
No.
Is it beside the chair?
No.
Is it behind the chair?
Wait!
What?
There is something behind the chair.
What is it?
It's just a menu.
Okay, let's keep looking.
I'm going to be late.
You still have time.
How much time?
20 minutes.
Only 20 minutes?
20 minutes is enough if we move quickly.
You are very calm.
Someone has to be calm.
I wish I was calm too.
You will be. Let's think carefully.
Okay.
What color is the folder?
Blue.
And your bag?
Black.
What does the folder look like?
It is a dark blue folder. It has a small white sticker on it.
Good. That makes it easy to find.
I hope so.
Did you leave anything on your cafe table?
I don't think so.
Look under the table.
Nothing.
Look between the chairs.
Nothing.
Look near the counter.
Wait. There is a blue folder near the counter.
Really?
Wait.
What happened?
I remember something.
What?
After I printed my resume, I went to the library desk.
Why?
I asked the librarian for a pen.
And your folder?
I put it on the desk.
Then what did you do?
I wrote something on my resume.
Then?
I put the pen back.
And then?
I left.
Did you take the folder?
I don't remember.
Then we have to go.
Yes.
Walk quickly, but don't run.
Why not?
Because you might fall.
I do fall a lot.
I noticed.
That was embarrassing.
It was a little funny.
Leo.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are.
I'm nervous.
Just ask politely.
Excuse me, I was here about 15 minutes ago.
Told them what happened.
I lost my blue document folder.
Ask if they found it.
Excuse me, did you find a blue folder?
With a white sticker?
Yes, with a small white sticker.
Did you leave it on the desk?
Yes, I think so.
One moment, please.
My heart is beating so fast.
Wait.
I hope they have it.
Look,
What?
the librarian is coming back.
Is that my folder?
I think it is.
Oh my goodness.
Is it yours?
Yes, yes, that is my folder.
Great!
I found it.
You found it because you remembered where you were.
And because you helped me.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Leo.
No problem.
Let me check everything.
Good idea.
My resume is here.
Good.
My certificates are here.
Good.
My ID is here.
Perfect.
And my interview letter is here too.
Then you are ready.
Wait, what time is it?
10 minutes before your interview.
10 minutes?
You can do it.
But I'm nervous.
That is normal.
What if I make a mistake?
Everyone makes mistakes.
What if my English is not perfect?
Your English does not need to be perfect.
Really?
Yes. Speak slowly, listen carefully, and answer honestly.
Thank you.
Also, remember to smile
I can do that.
and take a deep breath.
Like this?
Yes. In and out.
I feel better.
Good.
Leo, I have one more question.
What is it?
Why were you at the cafe?
I was waiting for my friend.
Did your friend come?
No.
So you were free to help me.
Yes.
Maybe losing my folder was not completely bad.
Maybe.
I met a helpful person.
And I met a very worried person.
Hey!
A very nice worried person.
That's better.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good luck, Emma.
Thank you, Leo. I really mean it.
You're welcome. Go get that job.
I will.
Emma hurried to her interview with her folder safely in her hands. She was still nervous, but she was no longer afraid. She had learned an important lesson. When something goes wrong, stop, think, and ask for help. Sometimes a small problem can lead to a new friendship, and sometimes the best way to find something you lost is to remember where you went, what you did, and where you put it. If you like Emma and Leo's beautiful stories, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.